Real-time robotics AI-driven technology autonomously choreographs all robots' movements, allowing multiple robots to work collision-free within a shared space without the need for interference zones. Robots with Real-Time's technology are empowered to function seamlessly across many deployments with minimal programming or reprogramming. Their user-centric software allows cell specs to change on the fly with only a few clicks. The ability to remain collision-free while rapidly responding to an unexpected operation or variable task is key. Additionally, customers demand operational metrics tracking optimal efficiency. This means production is under constant refinement and attention to detail. These metrics heavily require a consistent reduction in cycle time, reprogramming, and redeployment time for robots within confined spaces and close proximity. In essence, operating collaboratively between the task, the surrounding equipment, the programmers, and the employees. Hella is an international German automotive parts supplier and an innovative industry leader specializing in automotive lighting and electronic components, aftermarket products, and special applications.
So for us, when Mitsubishi came to us and kind of explained the partnership they've got with Real-Time Robotics, it was very, very interesting concept. So for our use case, we've got, a specific example where an operator is basically doing pick and place operations. However, inside of their work environment, there's also still a lot of incoming, outgoing goods, other local support from areas that are needed. So when you think about, industrial robots and collaborative robots, we don't really have the floor space to do the brick and mortar approach with hard automation that maybe you would normally look at when designing something from scratch. So being able to not only have the collaborative robot to fulfill safety requirements, but also the real-time solution to do some of the automatic path planning really creates a very dynamic work environment for not only the operator that still has to be involved in that work environment, but for the automated solution to still maintain an acceptable level of performance.
If you're working with multiple robots, more than one robot in tandem, the solution becomes programming, and deployment becomes so much quicker and easier because as the engineer, I don't have to do all the programming. I have to just know where it's going to pick, where it's going to place, and the RTR takes care of all of the tracking of the robot, the paths of the robot for me, and I don't have to be concerned so much about colliding with each other.
One of the benefits of the Real-Time Robotics platform with Mitsubishi's hardware is its ability to drop in nearly any application that's going on. So whether that's new line that you're designing out of the gate, or whether an existing line that had personnel on it, or maybe some legacy automation that you want to improve, it literally can function in those systems as a drop-in, whether it's machine tending, process tending, you name it, it's very functional.
The Real-Time Robotics solution combined with Mitsubishi Electric are poised to unlock or unleash a whole new application set of where robots can be deployed, both among people and in areas that have typically been cost prohibitive to deploy robotic solutions.
So with regards to our partnership with Mitsubishi, there's really three key things that we value, and they're included in their mission statement as well, quality, performance, and compatibility. We don't have a job that a Mitsubishi robot here cannot do. It's really the first true industrial collaborative robot to hit the market. So for anybody that's done automation programming in the past, there's a lot of interactions that would have to happen there with a second robot being integrated in the same work environment. But with the real-time solution, they really allow the robots to work dynamically around one another in a much more cohesive work environment. And so you do get closer to that actual realization of really cutting your cycle time in half.
I can get into the path real easy, just like here, the robot stops and it doesn't have to hit me. And then once I get out, it starts up again. That's the beauty to me of this system, whereas with other systems, when I get into it, it has to hit me and then it'll stop. Alarm sounds, I have to go and reset the code. While I'm doing that, nothing's going out the end of my line, so my throughput is down. Here it's not. As soon as I remove the obstacle, which in this case was my hand, it takes off and goes.
Advanced manufacturing requires operational efficiencies that can meet ever-changing demands. Mitsubishi Electric and Real-Time Robotics provides an integrated approach with state-of-the-art collaborative robots, on-the-fly robot movement planning, collision avoidance, collaborative capabilities, deployment time savings, reduced cell footprint, reduced cycle times, and flexibility.